Hello guys, can you guys hear me? Just let me know. Oh, I can check by myself. This is what I can do. We'll see if how market could perform and try to find a trade opportunity. Sorry, today we're bullish overall. Having going toward the side. This is what I was watching. Hello guys, can you guys hear me? I think so. Yeah, I think everything is fine. We can go for look to try to find a trade opportunity or maybe how market could perform in this morning session today. This is 9:33. Today is Thursday. This is very important. Before you do everything, you have to know that what kind of news is coming up on a chart. There could be volatility on a chart because as a trade trader you go to 1 minute time frame. A very small amount of news has a huge impact on a price action. We have this news. It was tentative. I'm not sure if this news is out or not today till now. I just refreshed it. I can't add here. There's no trade. There's no news of any kind today. So this unemployment claim gone tomorrow now. Tentative means that it could happen at any time tomorrow, Friday. So I'm more of like I would say this for me personally. Um, This is what I was just thinking about. I'm anticipating a choppy price action today, maybe bullish, which is possible. Maybe it could go to 120K. This is more for like upward side price action I'm looking for the market to be knocked off because we're bullish. We have seen that we've been going up all the way aggressively. Uh, all the way to the upper side. Yesterday was quite aggressive bullish price action. We have disturbed this daily high today. We have disturbed this daily high as well. After that, we did not have any previous major highs on charts at this range, but we have these highs as well at this range. We can go toward upper side to disrupt those highs as well. But I believe so market may not go to above the previous all-time high from here. It could be just remaining inside this range, 120, 1 or 20, 1 or 21, or maybe 1 or 22K of the range from here. At this point, slow down choppy price action could create a lower high at this range, and then we can anticipate a more of like a major pullback to downside as well. If all-time high market may not, maybe it is possible it could disrupt the all-time high then go down as well. This is also possible as well. We have to be careful, but this is important, very important to understand right now, because the where we are coming from, this has been quite aggressive bullish price action toward upper side. And like by the time market will reach the all-time high, it will already have a quite big positive stream all the way toward upper side, and then we can anticipate a pullback toward this trend. Maybe knocking the high, then go down, maybe creating low high, then go down as well. We have to be careful of that. This is not a logic, but this is a possibility that may play out on charts. If we try to find out a fixed range profile from this is a range, this is a value area high and the point of control of the range as well. That's why I'm in a more of a like concern thinking about right now is this leg maybe just all the way to this range on charts. Maybe it could knock previous all-time high, but it may be at the edge. It could create low high, or maybe this leg may be finish at this point on a chart, which is possible as well because it's quite strong level of resistance as well we're trading at right now. So overall, I'm still bullish on charts. Today's Thursday, I'm bullish, looking for upward side price action. This is quite bullish price action momentum toward upper side. We have seen so many times the market tends to remain bullish on charts. Market tends to keep its trend, tends to follow its trend either upward side or downward side. I have seen so many times. So this is a quite bullish price action. I wanted to see market should have to continue to be bullish from here. It is possible that maybe tomorrow or today market could slow down at this range, but at least we can anticipate a still 1,000 or maybe $2,000 move upward side. Maybe this is a strong level of resistance as well, but still $1,000 move upward side you can still anticipate toward maybe it has to create low high, but still $1,000 move. I'm anticipating toward upper side from here, $1,000 move, likely possibility that it could happen. So far, if you watch on a 4 hour frame, market just open and going all the way toward upper side. These are the red 4 hour candles from charts. This is 4 hour really gap. We're bullish on charts. This is daily high, daily high. We have been holding this daily high on charts, which is good. I wanted to see continuation toward upper side from here. 1 hour time frame as well. If you watch it, we have 21 minutes left. It is 9:38. Market. Look at this wick. Market has performed. This is the wick on a 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame as well. We tap into this small amount of 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. I wanted to highlight a 15-minute time frame fairly gap in here. This is a not very big zone, but you have to highlight because it is going toward upper side. I'm not taking any trade till now. I have not taken in any trade for today. Yesterday we took a good trade. It was 3 hour trade, and this is what it is. I am thinking about right now to if they we could have a steam to continue to be bullish. This is the thing. If we have to continue to be bullish from here, I'm anticipating that it should have to go to 120k from here or 125k from here. In that case scenario, I wanted to see continuation toward upper side from here. This is the previous low. This is this 1 hour time frame low as well. I wanted to see market should not have to go below this low. I'm just anticipating right now on 5 minute time frame, maybe 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame. Okay, I'm just anticipating right now market should not have to go below this low, continue to be bullish, disrupt this high, that high, and 1 or 20k, 1 or 20.5k as well. It could go all the way to the upper side. We'll see which way market will go from here. Just watching and observing the charts, not chasing the market, not doing anything, just watching and observing the charts. I was just when I start watching the charts early today, it was trading at this range. I was like, it should not have to go below the previous lows because we are bullish on charts. These are the this was the previous lows on charts. Market just come down, create another low. I could have bought. You could have bought at this point. I was like, and then I fall asleep for a couple of hours. Yeah, and then I woke up. Market was trading highs, but it is fine. It is. It's the part of the game. It's not that important. So far we've been going toward upper side, which is good. I remember what was the time? 6 o'clock. It was 6 o'clock New York time at this range. At this range, I was like really started watching the charts. I was like, these are the lows. This is 1 hour time frame. It could come down, which is possible, but as we're bullish, it should not have to go below the previous lows. These are the previous lows. This is the 5 minute time frame really gap. I could just tab into this. Just no, I don't know. I think keep it open. Then went toward upper side from there could have been a trade. I would say that 18,500 to 19. You can anticipate the previous highs, this high as well, 19,500 for more of like $1,000 move. Well, that's how it is. You should have to be done with the day if you're doing day trading. Considering how market could perform. I'm distracted today. I'm actually distracted today, which is this is what I was just thinking about. Everything right now will have a huge impact on your life later on. You accept it or not, good, bad, does not matter. It will have a huge impact on your life later on, and you will see the consequences of that. Always it is true. This is what I was just thinking about today, or maybe another day. A couple of days, I was just thinking about this like. So it is going toward upper side. We was just anticipating market. This is the low. It should not have to go below. If this is the low, this is a fairly gap. Market tap into this low, create this low now. Going toward upper side. I wanted to see market share to break this high and 20k. I'm looking forward to for the market to be knocked off. Not taking any trade, not rushing into any kind of trade, not feeling like I have missed the trade. There's no trade I have missed till now. I just open the charts, We're just watching and observing the charts. Yes, I was watching and observing the charts at this point. On I was bullish. I was looking for market should have to not to go below this low. I fall asleep, went for a sleep. It is natural. I actually wanted to sleep, and then I don't know, but somehow, because after coming back from gym, I prefer to have a quick nap for 2 hours. Those 2 hours of a quick nap give me a like really keep my mind really active, and um give me a fresh vibe. I would say that because coming back from gym, you're tired and you feel like, oh, I need to rest. Then it is natural you'll fall asleep. And then this is the thing I always ask myself, like if I'm how I am feeling right now, because I have a couple of options coming back from gym. I could take a quick 2 hour nap and then woke up 12 o'clock, be in front of the charts. This is what I can do. Or I can, if I'm feeling fine, if I feel like I have enough sleep, I will go to library for a couple of hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, and work there for 2 3 hours, and then come back home for the live stream and start my day trading day in here. So this is this is what it is like. I've been asking myself for a couple of days. So far, because I'm tired coming back from gym, that's why so far I have not been into library for last quite a bit of time. Yeah, couple of last week I think so. Last week I went there. Going to the library is not really important. I always ask myself if I am confident enough or feeling fine, then I can go to library. Otherwise, I can do my work at home. Otherwise, if the sleep is important, I would definitely prefer to have a nap. So far it is going toward upper side. This is 9:45. It is very important because just after 9:30 it was at this range trading. Difficult to get into any kind of trade. You need to know, I would say, how market could perform in this session. You don't know after before 9:30 how it could perform. That's why you need to give yourself a little bit of a time, 10 15 minutes after the opening, how it is performing, slow, choppy price action or volatility, just because we have a news as well. I was just watching before, yesterday it was showing a news at 1:15, 1:30 in here, but they shifted to tomorrow. I was like, we have a volatility on an because of news, I will be in a more of a like a concern, thinking about like we can anticipate a volatility, not just otherwise. I'm pretty much in a more of like concern as well. Today we may anticipate a choppy price action because tomorrow we have a big news coming up. That's why. But so far it is going toward upper side. If you can see, I want to see RSI. Look at this RSI creating bearish divergence. Price is going up, up, up. RSI is going down, down, down. So I believe market could will be continue its momentum toward upper side. Market will continue its momentum toward upper side. I believe so. This is bearish divergence, man. So bearish divergence means that most of the people would be looking to short the market, but it will continue its momentum toward upper side. And this is what we have seen today. After the opening bell, this was opening bell went toward upper side, created it this week. You could have jumped into this putting a stop loss below this low for a trade. At this point, you could have stopped out if you're really bullish. But I'm not really feeling confident to take any kind of trade right now. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm just come in front of the chest right now. I was late today. Today was late because was coming back from the gym. Same thing. Coming back from gym, I was like, I want to sleep, but I don't know. I wasn't not getting a sleep, proper sleep. I was like, my body is tired. My mind is tired. My mind needs some rest, but I don't know. I was not feeling asleep. I was like, And I was like, bro, if you're not sleeping, you have to do some work. I went on to do some work late, like 9 to 11 is my more of like sleeping time, or maybe 12, up till 12. So I fall asleep around half past 11, and I woke up at 1:15. Oh, it was difficult for me to wake up. I was like, push myself to wake up. I wanted to keep on sleeping, but push myself. Bro, I have to watch the charts, and I come back in. I come back. Come in front of the charts at 2 o'clock. Go downstairs, bring my coffee and some lunch. 2 o'clock. I was in front of the chart, so I'm not really today. My mind is a little bit tired, and we'll see if I can be able to find a trade opportunity today. If I went for any kind of trade today, it will be a small size trade because I'm not really feeling confident uh, right now. It is very important to always understand yourself, how you feeling. You can, if it is possible, you can be in front of the charts, and how confident you be in sitting in front of the charts right now. I'm not really confident to be in front of the charts right now. Not confident like I was before yesterday. Maybe I'm little bit distracted as well today because I've been in hindsight for a whole morning today till I'm in a hindsight actually. A lot of things coming into my mind, irrational things, not important things. I'm trying to remain focused, but so many things coming. I don't know why. I try to remain focused. That's why I like to. That's why it is. That's why I keep. That's why I keep try to listen to podcast, informational podcast. Um, that keeps your mind active, or that keeps your mind not to be go into hindsight actually. And but still, yeah, this is the thing. Like whatever you do in your life will have a consequences, good, bad. And I feel like I've done a bad thing yesterday, and then I can see myself consequences of that today in front of the charts. This is a lesson learned. This is a lesson learned, which is this is very important. I've been couple of days. I've been thinking about this. Like, whatever you do in your life will have consequences. Maybe today, if not today, tomorrow, definitely it will happen. Good or bad, does not matter. You have to accept it. If you can't accept that, you will get to know. And that time when you get to know, you will realize you already wasted your time. 5 minute will gap. 15-minute time frame. We have 8 minutes left. Maybe we create 15-minute time frame gap in here. Going up, by the way. So I'm aiming for 120k from here, 120.5 as well. If I can be able to take a buy position in here for a trade, we'll see. 120, 120.5. I'll be trading with the less size today. Let me see my account how it's been going on. So far it is green. This week has been good. Green, 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 green. This week has been good. 26, 29. Yeah, so far, which is good. Learning as well. Yeah, a couple of days ago, there was one trade. I was very pretty much obvious about that. I was 100% sure this is will happen. This will happen. And I actually wanted to trade a 10 contract on that. A big size trade. I was 100% sure, confident on myself. yeah, this will happen definitely. And then I don't know. Yeah, I went downstairs after this. It was afternoon session, so we have a morning session. I was anticipating this could happen in the afternoon session, and this is what we have seen today. And I went downstairs. Um, it was around 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. New York time, and I was anticipating this may take some time for more of like half an hour, 12, half past 12, because ideally it's the ideal opening of the afternoon session is more of like half past 12. I was like, could it take some time? I can go downstairs to have some lunch or eat something. I went down, then I was watching charts. Even though I was on downstairs doing some stuff, I was watching charts on 1 minute time frame. Sheer rejection, I was like, go for a shot. At that moment, I was not really in front of the charts when it showed rejection. When it was already going down, I was like, bro, you missed it right now. Can't do this right now. I was like, I was sure this will happen. I would have been very confident to take a big size trade on this one. But that's how it is. It's fine. And then after that, market did not really hit my all of my TP on that trade. I was watching very closely. I was like, you can't trade right now. Just watch and observe. I was watching, observing. It did not uh, take all of the lows I was anticipating, but it took some of the lows. I would have taken profit, shifting my stop loss. Um, but I was like, it's fine. It's the part of the game. It is. It is obvious. It is obvious in trading. You will miss the trades. You will miss the moves on charts. You will. Uh, some days you'll be not making any money. Some days you'll get sucked out. Some days you'll do your analysis. You will do everything. You'll be 110% obvious this will happen, but you'll still got stopped out. There will be some days you will be maybe making a big trade of like 10 hour, 12 hour trade. There will be days when you will be just doing 3 hour trade. So there will be days and then there will be days like you will do your analysis, everything should be fine, but when it comes to pushing the buttons you are a little bit late, and then you can't trade right now because market is already going up. You can't chase the market, and you miss the trade. Very good trade, very obvious trade. So this is the part of the trading. If you do not accept this, you have to accept this, man. This is the part of trading. I'm right. Yeah, this is part of the game, but trading. If you can't accept this, you have to accept this, man. But but apart from everything, the most important thing that matter is to me personally. I don't know about other people. Right now, is I did not want to lose even a penny of my money to market. I hate to do that. I hate to lose even a penny to give my penny to the market. I did not want to do that. So that's why I'm very much in concern that I have to take only those trades which are obvious to me. And I'm 110% confident. The second thing is I really focused on R. I want to take those kind of trades in which I have a good R to remain focused on R. To how can I make my R more positive? I did not want to focus on numbers actually. It is very important. It is very important in trading. And I'm happy that I got to know these things right now while I am just building or I'm just at the beginning of my trading career. I knew for the fact that at some point you will lose. You will have a losing streak. Every trader had this kind of streak. You are not going to go all the. It's like same like this chart. These charts are trading is same like for everybody. Same like that. At some point, your PNL or maybe your PNL will be going all the way toward like upper side, like the way Bitcoin is going toward upper side. And we have seen in a bearish market, Bitcoin do go down, and this is the line for your PNL going up at some point. Yeah, Bitcoin is going up. For example, you're doing trading, you take trades, or your PNL is going up, profit is going up. At some point, the way market do go down, your PNL will go down as well. It is not like you will be always making money. It will be not never be like that. Some point you will lose. As long as you're losing very small amount, as long as you're risking very small amount, you set back, you relax, you come back stronger. You are not going to go down to the initial PNL where you start from. You can continue your momentum toward upper side again. As long as you have a good psychologically, your mind is quite strong, your risk management is very strong, and your basics is very strong. You keep your mind active in the game all the time. You have patience, you're disciplined, consistent. You will recover from these losses again one leg toward upper side. This is your PNL chart I have found. PNL, profit and loss. This is a PNL chart I've just shown to you. I have seen so many times, even though our traders who make millions, literally who make millions. I have listened to their interviews. They always say, "We are not, we did not go up always. We did not go up always, man." They always say like that. They always say they show. I've seen a couple of their graphs. They are same. Their graphs is same like this one. At some point they make money. They do come down. And you have to, as for me as well, this is what I was thinking about. Well, yes, it is fine, everything is good, thank God, but at some point you have to prepare yourself for the bad days coming up. And as a human, as a man you should always have to prepare yourself for the worst time coming into your life. Any point could come into your life, any point, in respect to relationships, in respect to money, in respect to a friendship, in respect to work, job, everything you do in your life. This is what I'm listening to these people who are literally successful in their lives. I was they always say these things. They always say these things. You as a man, you have to always prepare yourself for the worst thing happening to you, and anything bad could happen at any point, and then you always have to prepare yourself for that in respect to everything in your life, and prepare yourself to fight for it as a man. How can you prepare yourself to fight for that time if you have no money, especially money? And if you have no money, which is the most basic thing in life, money is the most important thing. After that, your health, how strong you are physically, mentally, how strong you are. If you're not strong enough, okay, it's fine. I don't I would not say that you should have to be strong. You should have to be strong mentally, physically. But if, for example, if somebody who have nothing, would you consider yourself a man? No. Somebody who have no money, or not in a physical shape as well, not in a not did not have even even a penny in his account, and then he say he's a man. I don't think so. He's a man. He needs to wake up. That's how I think about life. For now, my job is to provide for my family, to be there for them, to help them. I'm like, I want to be in that spot in my life where whatever happened in in whatever happened in my in my family, whatever happens in my family, my to my sisters, or maybe dad, maybe my mom. So whatever happened, thick and thin, the, the first thing that comes into their mind is me. Like they would close their eyes, believe on me, tell me everything. This is the spot I want to be in my life. They share their everything with me, tell me, this is the thing. We are in that situation right now. Could you help us? And that day, I will be done with my life. Like I don't need anything else. This is what I dream about. Like for every thick and thin, you don't know about the bad time. This is how it is. Like you don't know about the bad time, when it will happen in your life. You don't know. So you always have to prepare yourself. And I want myself to be in that sport whenever they are in that kind of time. They ask for me. The first name comes into their mind should be me, and I will be proud of myself when that day. Especially my mom, like she faced in her how hard time she had faced in her life, and then all that things. Always prepare to always yeah, always pray to God, give me strength. Some point you will be in that stage, you will have a partner. Some point you will be in that stage, you will have a partner in your life, and at that point your priorities will be different. Definitely your partner, your own personal life, your own family, but I still be there for them, for my sisters, for my own family. But at some point, the same things you have to do for your partner as well. You have to be there for them, sacrifice everything, do everything for them, to provide everything for them, especially in respect to money. When it comes to money, especially when it comes to money, time, attention, which is this is common basic thing. These are the thing you have to give them, but money's more. I feel like yeah, money's most important thing. Like in a relationship, you really need money to manage your relationship, to provide for your family. That's how I think about life. I don't know about future. I did not really think about like who will be that person in my life. I don't know. Um, for now, just wanted to focus on my trading. Just wanted to make myself capable enough to put my living into trading. And yeah, it's so far it has been choppy price action from the market. Look at this. This is what I was anticipating as well today, whole day. Why it is not going to up aside from here? Like why it is not keeping its momentum, continue to be bullish to 120, 120.5. Which is what I'm looking from the charts to be there. But so far, a complete choppy projection from the chart. If it continues to be like that, I may close my charts for today. I'll be done with the day. I'm already tired. Already did not want to be in front of the charts. If you do not feel like you have to be in front of the chart, this is what the other day I met with another guy. He was saying to me the same thing. I was like, I'm not really focused on charts all the time. I'm not disciplined. He said that okay, it's fine. It's we are human. He said to me, he's a $1 million trader. So he said to me, it's okay, bro. It's okay. We are humans. He said to me, whenever he feels like he do not have to be in front of the charts, I did not come in front of the charts, man. He told me he's a $1 million trader. He risk millions, make millions. I was like, bro, like he said, always watch out yourself to yourself. How you feeling in front of the charts? How mentally you are strong you are right now. If you don't want to be in front of that, you don't have to. Sit still, relax, enjoy your life, do something else. And then the other thing he was saying that the second guy he was also a $1 million trader. He was saying that but you have to be disciplined. Yes, at some point, some days, maybe once in a year or like that, you can do that because you're not feeling really not really feeling like to be in front of the chest. But he was saying that you should also knew that this is your living, this is your everything. You have to be in front of the charts even though you do not want to be in front of the charts. You have to be in front of the charts. This is also a thing. At some point you do not feel like you be in front of the charts. Yes, you can take off. It's same like a normal in any profession you go to. Nobody is like uh working 24 by 7 every single day. No, it's not like that. You do take some rest, which is very important in trading. Yeah, I really have to do some other things as well. I actually want to start thinking about. There is one guy, man. I would really love to listen to his podcast. He is a genuine guy. Like he every morning he do the podcast somewhere. He do research about all that stuff. I don't know his name. I follow him on Twitter. I'm using mobile, guys. Choppy press section. So I was just discussing right now. For example, how would you feel at this point? Like you buy at this point. You was looking for this high, very small trade, and you was looking for 120k as well from here, but it did not went what was Shopee per second on the charts right now. How would you feel at this point? You feel bad, pretty bad. The reason, first reason is at this point, market open 9:30. You are already bullish. You are anticipating this is the bottom. This is the low it has created after 9:30. You say that yeah, now this is a low. It should not have to go below this low. Went to upside create. When it creates this candle, you enter a buy on this fairly gap, putting a stop loss just below this wick, looking for all of those highs, maybe 120k from here. But look at this, just went to the upper side and come down to this candle. Mm, This wick, this candle come down below this wick. You got stopped out, and the market still went to the upper side. How would you feel at this point? You feel pretty bad, not good. I would say that because and then you stopped out, but still market went to the upper side. But this is not an obvious trade as well. Look at this, market just disrupt this high. Shopee price action come down. For example, you are still in a trade. For example, at this point, you did not stop out, you enter a trade. You are looking for this high and 120k from here. Why would you not take profit at this high? You tell me one question. At this high, this is the previous high you was looking for. Why would you not try to take your profit at this range and let the trade run to 120k? This is a very small trade, by the way, but and then market remain just went for example, do not say take profit at this range. Market went toward upper side. You was looking for 120k from here. It did not went to 120k from here sideways. Come back down again. 15-minute time frame. How would you feel at this point, while market is coming down to this range on charts? You again got stopped out. Now you actually got stopped out. You did not take profit at this range. At one point you was in profit, and then you end up getting stopped out on a trade. How would you feel at this point? So bad. You'll be hand. I can see right now, just watching these candles. Retail traders are scared to enter the charts right now, and they are already rigged right now. And smart money knew that now it is possible they could send the price to upper side. I can see on charts. I can see on charts retail traders already rigged today. Just after 9:30, market has done what it has to do for the retail traders. They're scared to enter the trade right now, or maybe they are still uh, yeah, maybe they're still buying in here, and market will not go toward upper side because we are already overall bullish at this point. Okay, it's fine. They would be thinking about like this point. We got stopped out. It's fine. Now it is going toward the side. Look at these candles. Now we are going toward upper side. Buy in here. I feel like retail traders is buying right now. I feel like it. Let's see. I'm just anticipating. Let's see if this is a quite big 4 hour time frame value gap. Big 4 hour time frame value gap as well. Big 4 hour time frame value gap. And on daily time frame as well, we have disturbed all of those daily highs as well. This is already a level of resistance. Already a level of resistance, man. All of those lows. Okay, this market has not went down all of those lows below. We're bullish going toward upper side. This is the previous low. So now I'm anticipating market should not have to go below this low and be bullish from here. And I'm also very well known of the fact that your trail trader is buying. I think so. They are buying. They are aggressive buying. And smart money will send the price toward low levels from here. Could send the price toward low levels from here. I can't go for a shot. Can I look to go for a shot? Considering this could be the top. And considering the way this 4 hour time frame candle open. I need another coffee, man. Just had one coffee and need another coffee. I need a flat white. All of this low is possible. 30-minute time frame. Do you think this could be the top of the market from here? Could be going down from here? I'm just asking myself this question. Not sure. 15-minute time frame. This high is it's 27.2. I'm just watching this high now. Like if this could be the top, 733 high, because I feels like retail trader is aggressively buying right now. Retail trader is buying right now. The way after the opening session we have seen this price again just went up. They would have been looking for continuation toward upper side. Market went down. And when it created these candles, they would have been aggressively buying in here. Now it is going toward upper side, but it is not going toward upper side. I think so. They are a little bit trapped. Retail traders is trapped a little bit, but this downside for a second from here could trap. Let's see how market would react to this low. This chart 5 minute time frame. Look at this, man. Look at this is the respect of the previous high. This which is this one. Maybe you can say a back test. This is the back test of the previous high, which is this one. Back test of the previous high. Let's see. I'm just anticipating right now because I do believe that retail traders is getting trapped. They are anticipating a bullish price action from the market toward upper side. That's why I'm anticipating this could be the top, and after that, this could be the high. This is the Fair Value gap. This is the Fair Value gap. Let's see from here. Taking this any kind of trade, not jumping into any kind of short in here. Could be going down, possible, but just watching and observing. Look at this guy, man. People following him. These are smart people, man. Guess if we did not have a true Twitter, man. I'm just guessing that right now, like if we would not have a Twitter, oh, how would I get to know like these people ever exist in planet Earth? So far, it is going up. I just anticipate it could be bearish from here, but still going toward opposite side, which is fine. Now this time it should have to go to 120k from at least 120k from here. I'm looking for a long in here. Not taking this trade. Could have taken this trade, for example, in here. Master plus is just below this low. I'm looking for 120k from here. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. Just anticipating. Could play it out. Let's see if it has a potential to do that because we're bullish, that's why. But it is difficult to target any particular level from here on upper side because we did not have any previous high in here. Maybe it has to go to all the way 12700 as well. So we will be content with the closest possible level, and I'm pretty much sure this is what most of the retail trader would be thinking about right now, looking to you know what, this is what I'm thinking about right now. Everybody would be chasing 120k from here. I feels like it. Let's see, I'm just anticipating 1 or 20k from here, and this is what most of the people would be chasing as well. Let's see if it has the potential to go there, or as everybody will be chasing that, it did not went there, or went aggressively all the way to whatever side possible. I'm actually sleeping. My mind need rest. My body too. Tomorrow I will be chasing at least 5k running this week. Once in a week, I really try to do running 5k, at least 5k, maybe 6, 7k as well, 8k as well. It will be great. If I can do 8k tomorrow, it will be great. And then next 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, I'll be taking off. I'll be taking really off. Complete rest. I need complete rest from gym Saturday and Sunday. And yeah, we'll be going to the job. I'll be at my job. Uh, thank God, job is not that difficult. So there's good and bad thing always there, but overall it's fine. And what else? Yeah, Monday as well. I'll be at my job. Tuesday as well. I'll be at my job. So I think so. Tomorrow as well. I have to go to my job as well. So I think this week is more of like end. This week is more of like end of the game. I think so. Thursday. Today's Thursday. So look at this, man. How did you feel at this point? You went for a buy in here. Market is choppy right now, completely choppy. We anticipate a bullish price action from here, 1 or 20k from here. And when I do anticipate the number 1 or 20k from here, the first thing comes into my mind that this is what most of the people would be targeting as we are bullish on charts right now. And market will not go to 1 or 20k from here, or it could be aggressively going toward upper side above 20k from here, which is also possible. Look at this, the way it is. Oh my god, look at this, the way it is going down. This market is not easy to trade, man. This market is not easy. You know what, like before the opening of this today's session, today's chart, I was just watching these news on tomorrow. I'm like already, man, I may not take any trade today. I'm already done for today. And look at this, like just oh my goodness, how can you be trading and making money on this price action from just after 9:30? This is 9:35, 9:13 here. We have just gone from here to here after 9:30. Just this price action. How can you be making money on this price action? What do you think it is? It is like it is easy to make money on this in this price action or this price action? How would you feel at this point right now, man? That's why it is difficult, not easy, man. You can't be in hindsight in front of the charts. Maybe we are done with the weekly price action tomorrow as well. I feel like look at this weekly candle. I feel like this weekly price action is done. Tomorrow is Friday. Thursday is more of like choppy, and tomorrow as well we can anticipate choppy. Maybe pull back to go down side. I'll be leaning more for like because of the news, because we have this bullish candle weekly price action. Market is going up, 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 up. I'll be leaning more of like bearish tomorrow on charts. Today I'm already anticipating a choppy price action, and you cannot deny the fact that we have seen this choppy price action throughout this session till now. This is 10:36 now. Oh my god, I'm tired. My back. I need some rest, man. I'm also thinking, but if I go for sleep right now, if I have to wake up early, Early in the morning. I have to do a couple of things, man. Oh, I have to do a couple of things, man. To I have to do my research on a lot of things. Uh, my back. I was just thinking, but I really have to start doing my research on smart money stuff as well. Oh, oh, the meme coins as well. Can I look to go for a short, or let me watch out the pro section. Can I look to go for a short? Because at this point I was just anticipating that retail trader is getting wrecked as hell. They are looking for 1 or 20k from here. I'm pretty much sure about this. Just went toward upper side. This one I was like going down, but it just went toward upper side again. It shows a rejection from this range. It disturbed the previous high in here on 1 hour time frame as well, 4 hour time frame. Look at this, the way it has opened on 4 hour time frame. It is possible that it could close bearish 1018,800. Do you think so? 1018,800, like this low, round about. Do you think so? Let me see. Let me see. Let me highlight the previous 4 hour time frame low, which is this one. Previous 4 hour time frame low is at in here. This is the previous 4 hour time frame low. Do you think so? We need this 15-minute time frame. Don't need this for now. Just thinking about a couple of scenarios for bearish case scenario. 30-minute time frame fairly gap. 1 hour time frame we have nothing. All of those lows. Uh, I'm just thinking about for the bearish case scenario. Do you think it is possible that because everybody's looking for the bullish cross section from here toward upper side, and then we have seen a couple of time rejection from this range. Everybody's looking for 120k from here. In that case scenario, I was just anticipating previously this is the high, but it has disrupted this high again at this point and show rejection again. The high is at 4747.2. The high is at 850, quite obvious high, you can say that. And for example, if it has to come down, disrupt all of those lows to this 4 hour time frame opening low as well, 4 hour time frame opening, I'm just anticipating that this is the top, this is the fail gap, it should have to keep it open, this is the fail gap, it should have to keep it open, tends to be bearish to disrupt all of those lows, these lows, and this area as well. Can I go for a short right now? I cannot go for a short. I'm not really confident to go for a short right now. I'm just anticipating. I am looking to go for a short. If I go for a short in here, uh, if I took any trade, it will be a very small trade, and I will be content with the closest possible target because I do not feels like I can be in front of the charts for too long, and I do not feel like I'm really confident. So, for example, if for example market went down from here to from all the way toward lower levels, it's fine. I can't do anything, but um, I would be not feeling too bad or feeling like I have missed this trade. This is not going to be like that. I'll be just watching and observing. I want to put my alerts in here. 119 600 and 1018 600 approximately. 700 approximately. So yeah, I'm just anticipating right now because everybody was looking bullish per second from here. 120 is obvious number. Everybody would have been looking for right now. It has been remain choppy after the 930. This is 1042 right now. Still, market has its steam to go to a downside from here. Everybody would have been looking for 120k from here. I was just thinking about going down from here, but it went toward upper side again. One more leg toward upper side. I was like, you can buy in here. When it went toward upper side, you can buy in here, putting a stop loss below this low, looking for 120. And then when I think about 120 number, I was like, no, it may not go to 120k from here. It went just down because I was already anticipating this bearish price action from here, aggressively going down. I was like keeping this open, just a rejection from there, come back down, and I am looking for a further continuation toward downward side to disrupt. It has disrupt this low. Definitely, if you're going for a short in here, at this point, difficult to go for a short. At this point, you can go for a short, keeping your stop loss above this fair value gap high, fair value gap. Now, you should have to be at A1 because we're trading reversal. You should have to be at A1. You should have to take most of your profit at this range. This is this should be last TP on for you. I would say that because we are trading reversal, then now you should definitely have to put your stop loss above this high. Take most of your profit, 80% of profit at this range. Let the trade run to this low. I have not taken this trade, just watching and observing the charts. But do anticipate it could happen. Initial stop loss, my initial stop loss would have been in here, and then I would have been looking for at this low, just more of like 2.69 hour. For example, if now it went down, I enter in here, now it went down, my stop loss will be just above this high. Now I'm looking for this low to be knocked off in here. Could have jumped into short, could have been jumped into aggressive or short in here. I heard myself. I did not feel like I've missed this trade. I don't need to feel like that. I don't need to feel like I have missed this trade. I do not want to feel like that. For example, if I would have went into short, this is the considering this price action on charts, I would have taken most of my profit at this range, and my stop loss would have been there. I'm letting the trade run. My stop loss it as would have been at even. I don't care about this trade. If it went down from here, I'll be losing very small. I'll be still in a profit, and just I can risk a very small amount for a little bit more uh, price action. K4. K4 shit. It went down quite aggressively, by the way. Now it should have to go down to this 4 hour time frame open, which is this one. Uh, which is this one, which is just this low I'm looking for. 108,800, 118,800. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is actually good. Oh my god. It's just about the perspective. Just about perspective. Just about perspective. How would you think? I would close my position at this range. I'm done with this session, this trade. More of a like 11 hour. Initial stop loss would be definitely above this high. Initial 2 hour. But when it is going down, you are shifting your stop loss just above this high. I'm done with this session. Not do not want to come back to the trade right now. Done with today's trade as well. Maybe I'll be in front of the charts for afternoon session, just watching and observing. That's it. This is the morning session trade, man. Perfection to the perfect, man. I was just saying myself like I'm not confident on this 4 hour time frame opening. If it went down, it could be going down there, and we are trading reversal opposite to the trend where market is actually going right now. And could disrupt all of those lows as well. 1018, 300, 200, 1018 as well. It could go there. We have this 1 hour time frame fairly gap in here. So these lows as well could be knocked off. But you should have to, I would have closed my position in here. Most of my profit in here, rest in here. This is the trade I could have taken today. Just anticipate this. When it was trading at this range, I was like, you should have to keep this open, keep this open. This is the high. Most of the people is looking to 120k from here. I'm not confident on the 4 hour time frame opening. This is 4 hour time frame opening. We highlight this 4 hour time frame. I was like, if it go down, disturb all of those lows, this low definitely should have to can go for a short. I was like, as we're trading reversals, we will be aggressively taking um, aggressive at taking profit, aggressive at shifting our stop loss on charts. When it just went down in this range, you put your stop loss just above this high. Now you are pretty much confident you're risking a very small amount. This point you take most of your profit. This point you close your position. You're done with the day. And that's it. If you guys could hear me. Hmm. Yeah, if you guys could hear me, just let me know. Because this is going further downside. This 1 hour time frame I'm looking for, if it is possible, these lows as well. But we have to be content with the closest possible level. Wanted to go for a shot. Do anticipate it could be going down from here. Just wait, watch, observe. This one when it showed rejection from this trend again, I was like, it can go for a short. All of those lows, it should have to tends to be bearish. We're trading reversals. We will be aggressively taking this trade, aggressively shifting a stop loss, aggressively taking profit. Went for a short, small stop loss, initial stop loss there. After that, shifting a stop loss in there, taking 50%, 80% in here, closing a position in here. We're done with the 9 hour trade, a great trade. How that's how it is. And you are looking for all of those lows. Maybe it could be knocked off, could be not. You don't know. Just you have to be content with the price action. That's how it is, guys. Today, I think so. I should have to finish this live stream. I was not really in the mood to be in front of the charts today. I'm still feeling like tired or fatigue. I want to do some rest or sleep for a while. I have not. I did not sleep well for last night as well. So still, that's why I was not. Could not be able to take this trade. I would have taken this trade. I would, mentally. This how to. This is bad, man. This is where the human mentality comes into mind. You take the decision. I take it this. I keep on saying to my mind that I am not good. I need rest. That's why I did not take this trade. If I would have just at some one point, I would have tell myself to try and just be in front of the just for morning session. Look to try to find a trade. That's it. Because you are not in that stage in your life to let go of the trades. You have to take trades right now because I need an income stream. And you are not in that stage in your life like you can be like letting the trade go. You need every trades to be done and dusted. You have to be making money on a market today. You have to locked in. No matter what, you have to be locked in. But this is how it is like. And what I have done today, done a bad thing. You should have to take this trade, man. This is what it is. I was just telling myself, like, bro, you cannot afford to take decisions how you feel. And today I've done the same thing. I made a decision not to take trade because I was feeling like not to take this trade, but I have to take the trade. The reason is I have to because I have big responsibilities on me. I have to do something in life, and you did not take this trade. just because you was feeling not to take this trade, which is so bad. This is not how it should have to do, man. This is not how it should. Okay, guys, there are a couple of lessons we'll learn today. We'll do some journaling today. Missed this trade. Uh, Actually, we're going to take off from charts from today. I may not be watching this afternoon session. We'll see. I just want to take a couple of hours a rest from here in front of the charts. We'll see how it goes. I'm feeling so tired right now. We'll see how the things will go. We will not be doing live stream tomorrow, which is Friday. We will not. I will not do live stream on Monday and Tuesday as well. We'll see if I can do live stream on Wednesday. I'll update you guys on Twitter. Most of the time, I'm active in here. All of the day, I spend my time on Twitter, waking up to the sleep. I'll do upload a shot today, tomorrow as well. I do upload a shot, how market has performed, and we'll see how it goes on charts overall. Let's see how the things will go. I'll see you guys next week now. Thank you. Bye.